Did your light come on? Did your car tell you need maintenance? That's the nice thing about BMW. These cars don't have any dipsticks, and with other vehicles you have to use stickers or other ways to remind you. And if you don't follow up on your maintenance, those problems can lead to engine wear, carbon buildup, and even drivetrain damage. My name's Evan. I'm a BMW technician here at the garage. Today we're working on a 2013 BMW 328i. Yesterday their service light came on and we scheduled an appointment for this morning. On all our oil services, we do a few things. So we always change the oil, install new filter, and we check and make sure that all fluids are topped off. And then we put it up in the air and make sure that we don't see any problems, any leaks, nothing's loose, everything's tight underneath the vehicle. And these checks take about an hour to an hour and 30 minutes. And so we can take you down to the coffee shop and buy your second cup of coffee. You'll be done, ready to go. If your service light comes on, don't put it off. Give us a call. Depending on the situation, we can drop off or pick up cars or people.